Yeah.
What are you doing here, Rob Patterson?
Chris, what are you doing
What are you
here? What are you
doing
doing here, mate? Mate, steering eye contest, huh? Oh, I'm gonna miss him.
Have a staring
I'm
contest.
gonna miss him. He's got a
You need to
steering
have a steering
contest,
contest.
Chris Junior. Steering
Question.
I'm not gonna accept this. I can't accept this to you.
Oh, no.
Oh no!
But I have again.
Oh no!
Steering contest, go.
Steering wheel. Oh no! I've been plotting ever since you guys wronged me with my weakness. I've been plotting, and I hired the most protective person in the whole cosmos. I hired them, and their name is Chris. Hey, I'm Chris. I'm Chris Walker. My name is Chris Walker. I'm from the Daily Planet News. I write.
Racist or white? Man.
We gotta stop him. This is getting out of hand.
It's the end.
It's
But
the
the
end of-
moment has been prepared for.
It's the end of the world. Look at you. You're back. You're all back.
No, I can't allow this anymore. You've got my friend Jimmy Tom, Piggy. Hey, go on, man. You're not really
Oh, please. My kids, I don't want to know. No.
I'm dying. Sorry. I have to reproduce to live. It's truly a historical moment for me.
Oh my goodness me. He's majestic. Oh no, he's majestic.
Magician.
Oh no, I've assembled a device for us all to escape. We cannot,
gonna kill you.
no! Take my device before I die. Oh no, this is gonna die. This is a long time
This
for
is
me.
really sad.
This is really sad. It's gonna take me 60.
I'll save you.
Thank you. Oh no, I'm the car Grim Reaper. Where's the dog in the dog at lands? Oh, he's not here. Oh, since I'm the car Grim Reaper. Purple, we're going to Vindigar.
I'm glad we escaped, guys. I'm really happy we escaped. Oh no.
Oh! I'm nothing, Yee. I'm back from the dead. Guys, you gotta follow me. I've got something really crazy to show you all.
Instagram.
I've got an Instagram reel to show you. Yes!
Robert Patterson from Red Purple.
Red, Purple, and Hank and Uselessy.
Yeah?
Yeah, hey, I'm T-shirty. How are we doing, boys? I'm blankety. Oh no, no. I'm zoomed in. It's not even right.
Let's go.
It's fine. Steed for.
Oh, I'm Steedy.
Oh, let's go.
I'm Steedy.
It's nothing even to use anymore. I'm Steedy.
No. You see, the child porn, it was just a goof. It was just for laughs, you know? Why aren't you laughing?